Hello students, welcome to the another class of English literature book, and today we will learn the fifth chapter, that is a poem which is named as I Dream a World. It is written by Langston Hughes. So let's start. Which kind of world that is dreamed by the Langston Hughes we will have to learn. Let's start the reading of the poem and understanding the poem. Before starting the poem, here is the few questions we have to read as pre-reading task, and we have to answer it by our own self. That is, if we want to make this world a better place to live in, what would you like to add to it? It is a question for you. What would you like to be eliminated? Means which thing you would like that this will be not with you. Make two separate lists of additions and deletions with reference to political, economical, and social conditions that you and your friends want in this world. Here is the poem that introduces us to the dream world of the poet. And the poem started as talking about the first paragraph of the poem, that is, I dream a world where man no other will scorn, where love will bless the earth and peace its path adorn. Means poet dreamed a different kind of world where man no other will scorn, means nobody will be scorned by anyone, means no one will get the punishment. Okay, means no one will be, that is scorn. Where love will blaze the earth, means everywhere there will be the thing that is love, means no any discrimination, no any problems in between of any of the people, means only the thing that will be available, that is love. And peace its paths adorn, and everywhere we will see the place of peace, means everyone will be satisfied and no any problems in between of them. That is, means peace will always take their own path to everyone. Talking about the second paragraph, I dream a world where all will know sweet freedom's way, where greed no longer saps the soul, not avarice brights our day. Means in this paragraph poem, poet watched a dream of a world where all will know sweet freedom's way, means the people will know the limits of the freedom, that is sweet freedom, where greed no longer saps the soul, means in no one have their uh, in their hearts no any greed, means they will love to each other, no any secret things in their heart, and not ever rise bright our day, and no any problems which will distract our day, that is no any jealousy also which deflect our day. Talking about this paragraph, a world I dream where black or white, whether race you be, will share the bounties of the earth, and every man is free. Means poet is watching such kind of dream of a world where no any problems with the color of ours, which is black or white, and we also have to share the bounties of the earth, and every man is free, means we have to share our boundaries, and so that no one should be bounded by any of the things, means every man is free in this world, and in that world where no anyone feel such kind of restrictions in this world. Talking last paragraph, where richness will hang its head and joy like a pearl attend the needs of all mankind, of such I dream our world, in which in this paragraph poet was such kind of dream where richness means bad kind of things will be removed from this earth, and everyone will fill of joy like a pearl. And it was such kind of a dream where all the mankind is fulfilled with all their needs. So this kind of imagination means dream of our poem, and the poet Langston Hughes. Hope you understand the poem and understood it. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you very much.